If you've been looking for the perfect hot sauce to serve with your fried yam, your banku, your kenke, your anwamo, and if you're a lover of shito, this recipe is for you. Most importantly, it's so aromatic, very delicious, and extremely easy to make. So guys, let's get right into it. In the pot, we are going to be adding some vegetable oil. Next, we are going with our pepper. I'm using yellow habanero, but because it's a green sauce, I went for the green ones. And next, I added some green bell peppers. Then I went in with some garlic, and then I added some spring onions. It's green sauce, so you have to add as much greens as possible. Next, I added some spices. I went with some coriander, some star anise, black pepper, and rosemary. I added this and then I give this a very good stir. You need to stir to make sure everything combines beautifully. Next, you are going to cover this and allow everything to cook through thoroughly. This process is very important because it makes it so aromatic. So if you want your sauce to be very aromatic, then you have to do this. You can actually decide to go ahead and blend this before frying. Well, this one gives you the aroma you want, so I bet you would love to try this process. You're going to allow it to cool down, then you transfer it into a blender and blend it into a beautiful smooth paste. Now put the pot back on fire and transfer the paste into the pot. When you are done with this, next is you're going to add some seasoning powder and some salt and give this a very good stir. You're going to continue stirring until you notice the oil separating from the sauce. At this point, this is just the beginning. I just add a bit of oil on the surface, so I had to continue stirring till I get enough oil on the surface and I know my sauce is well fried and almost ready. Now I'm sure I have enough oil, so I think I've fried this well enough and my sauce is ready. I usually go with some fried gizzard in mind because I usually love to have mine with some fried yam. You can go ahead and adjust it with some water to loosen it or make it a bit lighter if that's what you prefer. I adjusted it with some water and this is how it turned out. This sauce is very smooth and silky and extremely tasty. My loves, if you're still here with me at this point and you love what you just watched and you love what I post, please do also hit the subscribe button if you haven't. And if you are returning subscribers, thank you so much for supporting your girl. Drop in the comments where you're watching me from. You can also drop a suggestion of what you want to see me make next. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and catch you in my next one. Until then, stay safe and bye for now.